In this video, I will gonna show you the easiest way how to earn money online for beginners.
And don't forget, I'll be giving special bonus tips that will allow you to earn double or even triple more money compared to other people. So make sure to stick around and keep watching all the way until the end. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the first app. So the first app on our list is Screenlift.io. So how this app works and how it gets you paid? Well, you can see right away. When you come on their homepage, you first off customize your first screen, personalize your first screen with our many unique features. This is the first app I've seen myself that pays you in such a way. So it's quite unique. From there, you will just use your phone like you normally do. And you will get paid. The amount you get paid depends on how much you use your phone. And I can imagine that many of you do so a lot. Earn lifts each time you open your phone and cash out for real money. So you will basically earn these lifts and you then exchange them for real money. So the bonus app is called s1.wintube.com. The app's name being quite similar to YouTube isn't a coincidence at all. You will get paid right here by watching videos. Now what I really like about the said videos is the variety. You won't be spammed with the same ads over and over. But they will actually show you different types of videos that literally include movies and TV shows that are quite interesting and fun to watch. Making money with this won't be annoying, as is generally the case with similar apps. Down here you can see what I was saying a minute ago, commercial ads, movies and TV shows online. It's the perfect way to earn money at Wintube. However, as you can see to the right, you don't get paid by just watching videos. Referring your friends can be an excellent way to get paid if you don't have much time to invest into watching all these videos. The way you get paid is once again through PayPal primarily. But other options are also available. Remember, this is free and no skills are required at all.
Hey, don't go away, because in this video here you will gonna see how to make extra pocket money every single hour.
And you need to watch this video right here for you to discover a new website that pays you $72 per hour, which is one of the best ways to make money online.